In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a novel in Microsoft Word. Proper formatting is an important part of preparing a manuscript for self-publishing. A well-formatted novel looks professional and provides a better reading experience. It can also help make sure your manuscript is ready for publishing platforms and print-on-demand services. Let's begin with the page setup. Open your manuscript in Microsoft Word and go to the Layout tab. Select Size and choose the trim size required by your publishing platform, such as 5 by 8 inches or 6 by 9 inches. Next, click Margins and choose Custom Margins. For a printed book, the inside margin needs to be slightly wider because that area will be closer to the binding. Set the inside margin larger than the outside margin. Then make sure the multiple pages setting is set to mirror margins. This allows the margins to work correctly on both left and right pages. Now let's format the main text. Select the entire manuscript by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. Go to the Home tab and choose a readable serif font, such as Times New Roman or Garamond. Set the font size to 11 or 12 points. Next, open the paragraph settings and adjust the line spacing. For print formatting, you can use 1.15 or 1.5 line spacing. Make sure the text alignment is set to justified. This gives the paragraphs a clean appearance, similar to a traditionally printed book. For the paragraph formatting, remove extra spacing before and after paragraphs. Instead of using blank lines between paragraphs, use a first-line indent. In the paragraph dialog box, find the special indentation setting and choose First Line. Set the indentation to around 0.3 or 0.5 inches. This creates the traditional paragraph style commonly used in novels. Next, format your chapter titles. Place each chapter title on a new page by inserting a page break. Go to the Insert tab and select Page Break. Then center the chapter title and use a slightly larger font size if needed. Keep the design simple and avoid using bold formatting too much. You should also add page numbers. Go to Insert, select Page Number, and choose a simple position, such as the bottom center or bottom right. Typically, the title page does not display a page number, so you may need to use section breaks to control the numbering. Finally, carefully review your manuscript. Check the margins, spacing, alignment, chapter formatting, and overall consistency throughout the document. Save your file as a Word document and export it as a PDF if your publishing platform requires one. Formatting your novel correctly in Microsoft Word can help your manuscript look professional and prepare it for self-publishing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,